Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I want to wish you a happy new year and draw with you this cute little mouse. Here's what you need. First of all, of course, your bullet journal, then the zebra mild liner, the micron fine liner, a rubber, some pencils, and a Stabilo pen. And then we can get started. So as usually I start off with my pencil. I usually use a bold pencil, 2B or even more, 3B or something like that. And I do that because I want to be able to get rid of the lines and rub them off if they are not correct, and that is why you don't see that much right now, but I switch the camera in a second so you have a better view on what I'm drawing here. And you see I've started with a sign here on the bottom, and now I'm drawing the face of the cat. So that's to have the dimensions. For me it is much easier right now to start with the bottom, with the sign, so I can draw up into the sky so talking, because then I can then I know how big I make the face and such. So, and you see me also rubbing things off, because I want to have it as good as I can have it here at this point. And I get rid of the lines a little later. That is why I'm using a bold pen. In just a bit I'm showing you how and why I'm doing what I'm doing here. So now I'm using the Stabilo pen and having a bold outline here. I have that because then I can get rid of the rest of the pencil, and I also like it for this drawing because I wanted to have it a little bit in comic style, and that's why I think the Stabilo pen is perfect for that. Because it's New Year's Eve, I need some sparkle and some confetti here, and the dots are just sparkle, and I'm just coloring the confetti in just a few seconds, so you see what I mean, and it looks a little bit more like New Year. So the mouse is partying, as you can see. And now I'm getting rid of all the pencil lines here, so that is a perfect moment because it's before I'm actually coloring it, and after I've used the Stabilo pen, because that one helps me to keep the lines but get rid of the rest. So, and now I'm using the Stabilo pen because I like how things shine through, so it's not that colored. I mean, it's still shining through a little bit, and That is why I like it for this drawing. You can of course use something completely different, it's totally up to you. It's just, how to give it that look which I want to have right now. yeah, basically that's it from me for today. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and yeah, you can see much better how it's colored, because in the other view you cannot see the colors that much. Yeah, and if you liked it, please don't forget to go over to my store and get the step-by-step guide how to draw the mouse if you need it. Yeah, and if not, please just go ahead and draw it if you have some fun. And yeah, I hope that I see you in the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And today I want to wish you a happy and healthy new year and new 2020. Yes, it's already 2020, and unbelievable, isn't it? So yes, have a wonderful new year. Go in very well, have a big party, and enjoy the evening. Until the next video, bye.